my channel. So this is actually a new and improved channel from my old one. If you want to check out my old one, I will go ahead and link it below. It's called Caitlin B Beauty. I do want to let you know that if you hear any bells running around, it's actually my dogs playing and stuff like that. I've got all my dogs in here with me. Yes, I'm looking at you, child. I have one crazy one, of course. There's always got to be one crazy one, and he is technically the middle child out of my animals. So I did want to go ahead and let you guys know a little bit about me and what I'll be doing on my channel. If you do check out my old one, you'll see that this is a complete different setup than what I used to have. I now live with my boyfriend, new boyfriend from last channel is actually, last boyfriend from the last channel is actually completely gone. I've not been with him for a while, and I did an update on that channel about a month and a half ago or so. So on my new channel, I just want to let you guys know a little bit about my boyfriend that I have now, and he does have a 10-year-old daughter. Her name is Jordan. She is also very passionate about YouTube, so I was thinking about some way of making her in my videos or something, since she's kind of too young to have her own YouTube at this time. And my boyfriend currently, he's actually the one who made me this really awesome vanity, and I did all the fun little DIYs for it. But yeah, so he is 30. We both work at the same place. We both work for a bank. And yeah, he's really good. Things are going really good. We've been together just about a year, so that's really awesome. But yeah, he owns a duplex, and we have our tenants on the other side, and then I have a dog here, that's for sure. And we have our side, and our side we are completely redoing, so it looks actually nothing like the other one at all. And reason for that being is because we are going to be living here for probably like 5 or 6 years, and then we want to sell out this side, and this side's going to be the most expensive because we've done the most to it. And yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys kind of know a little bit about me. I am very passionate about makeup. That's one of my #1 things. I've been wanting a vanity like this behind me for years now. I'm also gonna have a lipstick station over here because I have a lot of lipsticks. Thank God for Black Friday and the after sales of Christmas because they're awesome. But yeah, so I will be making videos talking about serious things, about like anxiety and depression that I do struggle with here and there. Just, you know, personal things, or if you guys have any cool topics to talk about that I may want to take on and be comfortable with talking about, feel free to let me know on any videos. I'd be more than happy to try them. And I would love to do videos about makeup. I would love to show you guys all of my DIY things that I actually made for this vanity because I did a lot and it was on a budget. So it did kind of get expensive as I kept going because I kept finding more and more things, but that is something that I could fit into my budget. So if you can't, you know, start small and you can always grow. Everything that I made is from the dollar store. So, I mean, I spent about, just from the dollar store products, I'd say I probably spent like maybe a total of $50, which really isn't bad for all the containers and holders that I made for my makeup, that you can kind of already see behind me. All of this stuff is handmade. And I mean, I Pinterest a lot, so feel free to look on Pinterest, you know. And I also found a lot of these, you know, awesome YouTubers that do budget stuff like this. But yeah, so I am 23 years old, and like I said, I do work at a bank. We are currently redoing the house, and so I spent a lot of my free time doing that, and being in a relationship for a year so far is, you know, really great, but there's of course all the challenges of new relationships and figuring out where you guys agree, where you disagree, things to work on and things that are going well. I'm getting a different chair eventually that's a little bit taller up, because I do have a flowered K up there, and I think things are going to be kind of showing reversed because I think that K in the video may look backwards. I don't know yet. It depends on when I stop it and look at it. I do all my videos on my phone as well, so this is just all focused from my phone. And if you want to know how I rigged this up, I totally have a mirror on my bed that's reflecting light from my window up to the ceiling that's reflecting light on me. I don't have lighting yet or anything like that since I've been off of YouTube pretty much for a very long time. I just didn't feel like I really was putting out the content that people would want to see and it just wasn't as high quality as I'd want it to be either. So that being said, I'm really excited to grow and have you guys all watch me grow. And if you're returning subscribers from my old channel and you're subscribing to my new channel, stop by and say hi. Let me know that you were a previous subscriber, because I would love to know. And who knows, I know I have one of you on Facebook, and you have always wanted me to progress on YouTube and be a little bit more on YouTube, and you've always been my #1 supporter, and I love watching you grow as a person. And so you know, starting out small is really cool, because the first people in, I feel, are the people that you can really connect with. They're the people that'll be there with you from day one, and that you suck and then one day maybe you're really good. I do know that it's also really hard to start on YouTube at this time. Just smaller YouTubers are having a hard time making it, whereas people that have already made it are getting more and more successful easily. You know, mainly because nobody's really watching these smaller YouTube channels. So if you want to put my name out there, please do. And of course, share my link anywhere you want. If you enjoy my videos, you know, friends that you have, let them know that they should watch and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. There's just so many things that I want to do, and especially with makeup, since of course it's my passion. And it's just, I want to get there, and I also need your guys' help to get there, and I really appreciate it. So thanks for stopping by to my new channel, and let me know if you have any suggestions or comments or videos that you're really wanting to see from me. Maybe you like the look that I've already got on. You know, just let me know. I'd really love to hear your guys' input and outtake on things. But yeah, thanks for stopping by again, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and stay tuned for my next one. Bye.